For over 60 years, Bezdan has been a leading provider of architectural railing systems. Our tradition of delivering carefully selected, high-quality products continues today. This is the Bezdan Stainless Fascia Mount Adjustable Adapter. This highly advanced stand-mounting system goes beyond aesthetics and embodies design innovation throughout, allowing unparalleled installation efficiency, simplicity, and beauty for fascia-mounted frameless glass railings. Several features of the Bezdan adjustable adapter provide exceptional adjustability and performance, including a removable base with an innovative adjustability feature built in, an easily adjustable body, and precision grip silicone gaskets, all in an adapter that weighs a fraction of others on the market, without compromising quality or safety. With conventional adapters, there is no room for variances in mounting the anchor. The Bezdan removable base uses an oval bolt hole, allowing for variable positioning to suit site-specific conditions. With the base secured, the body is threaded onto it. Extra thick silicone gaskets included with the adapter are pliable, providing a precise and secure grip on the glass panel. A rubber strap wrench may be used to tighten the caps in place. After initial installation, variations in the mounting surface will likely require glass to be repositioned to achieve precise alignment. While non-adjustable adapters require labor-intensive steps to remove glass panels and make adjustments, with the Bezdan adjustable adapter, adjustments can be made while the glass remains in place. Simply remove the adapter cap to expose the body. The uniquely designed body includes a hexagon socket that enables adjustability. The socket is large and deep, allowing for significant torque and ease of adjustment using a hexagon screwdriver. The body can be easily adjusted without removing the glass panel. Visual feedback from the adjustment is immediate. With the adjustment done, the caps are reinstalled and the installation is complete.